guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, today is unboxing day. So, ito, nakikita nyo yan guys. So, ayan, unboxing day again. So, I'm here with my love.
Hi!
Yeah, she's with me. So, let's start! Guys, ayan. So, I'm here with Ding. So, kailangan natin ng scissors.
Hi guys, it's me. And also with a mask. Don't forget, my hands are the powerful one.
So, this one is so huge. So, wait lang. So, yeah, this is so huge. Oh, gosh.
Guys, look, this is put it down, guys.
Oh my god, what is this? What is that mean? So, it's so big. Wait. So, this is still, so we have to open it. So, now, wait lang. Okay, now, we will try to open it. So, I have a scissors.
Knees. There.
Oh my gosh, it's a shine! Look! Electric fan. So guys, we have to assemble this. Can you see? So ito yung yan. So ito guys. Ayan. So ito siya. Wait.
I will do the
Put it
face.
down. Put it down muna.
Wait, guys. This is the thing that they have.
Uh-huh.
And this is the
We have
favorite.
the
mini
LC.
fan, and also
So,
the
that's a
kitty.
mini
There's
fan.
a kitty.
So wait lang. So guys, so binili natin to guys kasi itong uri ng pan is pwede maging less sa bayaran
Guys,
natin sa
look! At the
electric.
back, you can also do it, turn it on.
Oh, can I see? Oh, so that's the switching button. Yan yung
So guys,
kung ano.
look, this is how
So ito yung
so
head.
this is how to convert first.
So yeah. So Dinjin will help me.
I'll do this part instead.
Okay. So Dinjin will try something. Teka love. Work? Can I see muna love? Love, can I see muna love?
Make it work.
I wanna see first. So this one to know how to put it in. Do they have ano? Do they have pattern? Nasaan pattern, girls? Do they have? So now we will just put it this one in. Okay. So, inattach lang natin yung LC, guys. Sa next, ilalagay natin ito. Asan yung top? So, then you put the face. Works? Amara busy in the fit. Oh, teka lang.
Wait, that's it out.
Yeah. Teka lang, ito yung ulo. Teka lang. Dito. Ito yung neck eh.
Wait, we have to see.
Oh, you need to put it in. Like that. I'll do it. Maybe you messed up. Tanggalin muna natin ito. Kasi hindi ko mahawakan. Okay. So, kailangan muna natin. So, tinanggal namin yung panghakang. So, ayan.
Everyone pretty.
Everyone a pretty. Daddy, daddy, daddy.
That's my favorite song. Guys, look what I made. I make a mini table, a black mini table with cat face on it. Can I see?
Medyo mahirap lang siyang
I just
ipasok.
started that.
O mali tayo ng pasok. Ito na lang. Kailangan natin siya mapasok na maigi. Para hindi makawala yung there. Yan, nakapasok na siya. Ayan, napasok na natin. Sana Danger will attach again. Wow, ma! Ang galing mo talaga. You're so bright. Look at Amara. Ang galing. So, ito yung stand niya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, guys.
Oh, do you guys really...
Oo. Wag mo muna. Mahulog yung screw. Hindi, dito yung plug. So, I'm excited. So, try muna natin, guys, kung ito ay mag-work mamaya-maya. So, ayan. I-attach ko ulit itong top. Yung cut. Ilalagay natin yung cut dito. And, teka lang. How did you do that, Din? How you put in the top? It's not work to me again. Love, it's not work. I guess that's okay. So, this is it. So, na ilalagay na natin siya dito sa kanyang malaking tower body. Oh, by the way, what about this? You forgot. They forgot something, guys, so I have to take it out. Ito yung nakalimutan mo, guys. So, kailangan muna natin itong ipasok. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ang ganda na yung stand niya. So, ngayon ilalagay na natin dito itong head. So, guys, ayan. Tatanggalin muna natin itong screw. Okay, take it out din. Ang ako ko, you make it tight, I guess.
I did.
Why is it so tight now?
Because I tired.
Are you alright?
Are you okay, Ma? Erica?
And now, ilalagay natin itong head din. Okay, yung ano. O, teka lang. You forgot the paper. Saan ba yan? Teka lang. Ayan. Okay. Bakit mo yung ayun. Please work. Alright! It's so pretty!
And it's so small. You gonna blow it?
What? Giving you blow? So ngayon guys, is try na natin ang ating mini fan. So bago natin ito i-try, ito muna siya. Guys, ito ang ating mini fan. So ito guys is very less to sa kuryente. Hindi siya ganun kalakas or mag-consume pag ito yung ginamit natin. Kasi maliit nga yung motor niya. So ayan, ita-try na ni Amara. Ita-try na niya guys. So ayan, dito. I-harap mo dito kay mami. So ayan, ita-try niya na. Kung powerful ba siya o hindi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan guys, naisaksak na natin siya. So bago yan guys, ayan. So makikita nyo ito yung kanyang power usage. So, ang voltage niya is 230 volts. So, ang power consume niya is 40 watts. So, mahina lang talaga siya. So, sa likod, ito yung pihitan niya from 0, 1 hanggang 2 lang talaga. So, ang cute niya, diba? O, diba? Napakaliit niya. So, I guess kapag magta-travel tayo, guys, maganda itong gamitin. O, diba? So, nakita na ko sa kanya, kaya ako ito nabili. At saka, ayan. Ito, guys, is less talaga siya sa paggamit ng kuryente. At, ayan. Perfect sa init. At saka pag well, ito kasi guys, is nakitan talaga ako. So, saka ayan, titignan na natin yung power niya. Start muna tayo sa 1. O, diba? May ikot din siya, diba? So, ang kinagandahan dito, so dati kong vlog na about sa mini pan, yung isa is wala siya netong cover, so delikado minsan yun, diba? So, ito, very safe siya kasi meron na siyang cover. So, ayan. Malakas naman ang 1. So, ito natin siya. Ito yung pinaka-powerful. So, ayan. Malakas siya. Masarap gamitin.
So guys, guess what? When if you put in the fan, your tongue will fly away.
Oh, ganun yan. So, ayan guys. Ito nga pala yung nabili natin sa Shopee worth of 200 plus. So, ayan. Diba? Mura lang. Tsaka brand pa. So, at tsaka ang cute niya. So, ito, perfect to. Dumalapit sa may computer ko. Kasi nainit banda dun eh. So, naisip ko itong bilhin. So, ito siya. Pag lagyan natin siya, malapit sa computer natin. Ayan guys, ito yung maganda pag malapit sa may computer ko. Kasi dito ako nag-i-edit. At wala nga naman akong wala akong ano dito talaga. Electric pan, so mainit-init. So, ito. So, ito is very perfect. Tsaka, tingnan nyo guys. O, diba? Pag binuksan natin. Lakas-lakas din ang kanyang ihip. At, ayan. Marami siyang nahanginan. So, try natin. Siyempre.